Prosecutors say a former student at the University of Maryland's campus, Sean Urbanski, was fueled by hate when he stabbed Richard Collins III to death. But Urbanski's attorneys say there is no evidence this was a hate crime. WJZ investigator Mike Halgren is live in Upper Marlboro. He has been following the developments from court today. Mike?
Denise, the defense blames alcohol and says their client was drunk at 3 times the legal limit at the time of the killing. Prosecutors say he poisoned his mind with racist images they found on his phone. The prosecutor held this picture of Lieutenant Richard Collins III during his opening statement, telling jurors the 23-year-old was killed because of the color of his skin. He spoke to a courtroom packed with Collins' friends and family.
It was important for us to be in the courtroom just to show up, to be a part of what is going on, to show the family that they do have support.
The defendant, Sean Urbanski, is charged with first-degree murder and a hate crime for stabbing Collins at this bus stop on the edge of the University of Maryland College Park campus in May 2017.
I always seem to find a way to overcome that adversity.
Collins, a Bowie State University student visiting friends, had just been commissioned into the Army. Here he is less than 48 hours before his death.
Happiness is today the day that I get to be with all my friends, family.
The prosecution showed jurors video of the homicide. Collins' parents left the courtroom and could not bear to watch it. In that video, Urbanski walks up to Collins as he stands with 2 other people, one white, one Asian, and suddenly stabs him with a folding knife. Collins still has his hands in his pockets. The prosecutor said he walked up to him and targeted him for no reason than him being a black man. He was the only black man at that bus stop at that time. The prosecutor told jurors about Urbanski's membership in the Facebook group Alt-Right Nation and showed jurors pictures of racist memes found on his phone. But Urbanski's defense attorney argues his client was not racist, but drunk 3 times the legal limit. He said the state has attempted to make this case something it is not. They have used race to divide this community. There is no evidence this was a planned, racially motivated attack. And the victim's father testified in the courtroom today. He said he worried about his son joining the Army. He was supposed to be stationed in Korea at the demilitarized zone, but he never thought he'd be killed here in Maryland. Reporting live in Upper Marlboro, Mike Halgren, WJZ.